Meta Glasses versus X-Real Air 2. When comparing Meta Glasses to the X-Real Air 2, you are really choosing between smart audio-visual wearables and immersive AR display technology. Meta Glasses powered by Meta AI are perfect for everyday use, offering photo or video capture, voice commands, music playback, and content creation on the go, all in a stylish Ray-Ban frame. On the other hand, the X-Real Air 2 turns your surroundings into a personal cinema, projecting a virtual screen right in front of you. It's ideal for entertainment and productivity but lacks cameras and AI features. If you want smart assistant features and social sharing, Meta Glasses win. But if you are priority in augmented reality and immersive visuals, the X-Real Air 2 is better pick. So that's it.